Do you like to watch sports on TV?
I really like it because I think reporters are really funny when they explain the game, and I can see players quite clearly on TV. I actually like going to a stadium and seeing the game. It's really fun and exciting to be there with all the supporters around me, cheering for their teams.
What kinds of sports are popular in your country?
Definitely football and baseball. People love watching games of those sports, and there are lots of clubs to play those sports.
What's your favorite sport? Why?
I kind of like baseball, and I sometimes go to stadiums and watch matches. I'm not quite into sports, but I quite like watching baseball games.
Do you watch sport matches?
Sometimes when there are big matches or the Olympic Games. I'm not a huge fan of sports, so I only watch it once in a blue moon.
Well, I have to talk about an air conditioner as I can't live without one. It's an electronic machine that most people use in summer. I don't exactly know when it was invented, but I heard it was around 1920s or 30s. I read a book about Carrier once and found out that he invented it to use it for his work. Basically, this machine is used for cooling down room temperature when it's too hot. Especially in summer, it's really useful since it lowers room temperature and makes people feel better. I find air conditioners are really useful. Since I can't stand heat, I can't literally live without one. It's really difficult for me to work or do something where there's no air conditioner. Also, I think air conditioners are becoming more functional nowadays. There's one in my house and it has an air purifying function as well as a humidity control function. I find it quite surprising since technology is constantly developing for this machine. I think I'll use it for a long time indeed. Do you like to use new technology?
Yes, actually, I'm very keen on it. If there's new technology in the market, I tend to try it out, no matter what it is. I just like trying new things generally. No, not really. To me, using new technology is always quite difficult, so I tend to stick to something that I'm used to.
Does technology deeply affect people's lives?
Yes, of course. These days, people can do their tasks conveniently with technology, and I'm sure they will struggle without technology. Everything like driving, banking, and many others became so much quicker and handier.
Is there any difference between technology in cities and in small towns?
Maybe yes. I'd say lifestyles in cities and small towns are quite different, and everything's changing quite rapidly in cities compared to small towns, so the technology in cities changes faster than that of small towns.
Do you think that technology always has positive effects?
I don't think so. It's obviously very convenient, but it makes people lazier. People don't do outdoor or physical activities with handy technology.